In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a background image without text in Figma. This process will only take about 5 minutes, ensuring that you can get back to your creative projects in no time. First things first, let's head over to your web browser. Here, you'll want to search for Figma if you haven't already logged in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, but assuming that you do, go ahead and log in. Once you're logged into Figma, the next step is to open your specific project file where the background image is located. This file will have the elements you need to modify, so getting into it as quickly as possible keeps us moving forward. Now that you have your file open, identify the frame or layer that contains both the background image and any text on top of it. This is crucial because you'll want to modify the visibility of the text layers to isolate the background image for export. You'll notice the Layers panel located on the left sidebar of your Figma interface. This panel contains all the elements within your file and allows you to select, modify, and, importantly, toggle the visibility of different layers. Once you select the appropriate frame or layer, you'll want to carefully observe what elements are visible. If you're in edit mode, you'll be able to see a blinking cursor, indicating that you can change the content at any time. But what you're really interested in this case, is identifying the text layers and ensuring they are toggled off for export. This leads us to the next action. There's an eye icon next to each layer in the Layers panel. Clicking on this icon for the text layers will hide them from view, effectively turning off their visibility. This ensures that when we export the image, these elements won't be included, preserving the background image by itself. With your text layers hidden, return focus to the primary frame or image layer that you wish to export. In the right-hand Properties panel, you will find the Export section. Here is where you'll configure your export settings. Depending on your requirements, you'll choose an appropriate file format. Common options include PNG or JPG. If you need a transparent background, PNG would be the preferable choice. Once you've set up your export options to your satisfaction, it's time for the final step. You'll see the Export button waiting for you on the Properties panel. Clicking it will initiate the download of your image in the specified format, now without the unwanted text layers. And there you have it. A clean background image ready for whatever use you have in mind. And with that, you've successfully exported your background image from Figma without any text, easy and efficient, all in just a few minutes. Feel free to repeat these steps as needed for other projects, and thanks for tuning in.